How do you train electrical technicians safely, without live power, physical panels, or operational downtime? At Spatio, we developed a web browser-based electrical safety training program focused on DOL Starter operations. The solution runs directly in the browser without installation, making it easy to deploy across sites, devices, and remote teams. The program is created as an interactive learning experience designed to mirror real-world electrical work situations. The training covers panel assembly and component identification, control and power circuit understanding, and hands-on wiring of the DOL Starter panel, all guided by voice-based instructions aligned with real-world layouts and electrical standards. Trainees validate their work through system testing, safely energizing the panel and observing motor behavior under normal and overload conditions, before applying their knowledge to fault diagnosis and troubleshooting across common electrical and operational failure scenarios. In the evaluation module, trainees independently mount components, wire circuits, operate the system, and diagnose faults, applying everything they've learned. All training data is captured through Spatio's LMS-enabled system, giving supervisors visibility into progress, competency levels, and readiness for on-site electrical work. The program delivered measurable outcomes: an 86% improvement in concept understanding, 94% better hazard recognition, and a 70% reduction in electrical incidents. Train smarter, train safer, deploy anywhere. Book your demo with Spatio today.